Did you know that one simple food you eat before 8 a.m. could hold the secret to keeping your legs strong, steady, and youthful, even past the age of 70? It sounds unbelievable, but modern science is confirming what many active seniors already know. The way you start your morning determines how your muscles age. So if you've been waking up stiff, unsteady, or finding your steps a little weaker than before, this message is for you. Because today, we're unlocking the hidden power of one morning meal that can help slow muscle loss by nearly a decade. Imagine walking confidently again, climbing stairs without fear, and waking up each day feeling steady on your feet. That's not a dream. It's a science-backed reality. And it starts with what you put on your plate before your coffee even cools. Let's start with a truth that's often ignored. After 60, your body begins losing muscle at an alarming rate, especially in your legs. The National Institute on Aging calls this silent muscle erosion. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't announce itself, and it doesn't happen overnight. One morning you notice your legs feel heavier. Another, you need to grab the railing for support. Soon you're relying on your arms to stand from a chair or needing longer breaks after short walks. But aging isn't the villain, neglect is. Because the real cause isn't your age, it's what's missing from your mornings. The first meal you eat or skip determines whether your body builds or breaks muscle. And here's the hard truth. Skipping breakfast, drinking only coffee, or eating nutrient-poor foods like white toast or sugary cereal accelerates leg muscle loss. See, when you wake up, your body is in a fasting state. You've gone 6, maybe 8 hours without fuel. If you don't eat within an hour, your body starts breaking down muscle, especially leg muscle, to create energy. That's right, your body consumes itself. And because your legs contain the largest muscles in your body, they're the first to suffer. But here's the life-changing part. You can reverse that. Scientists at Tufts University discovered that older adults who ate a balanced, protein-rich breakfast regained up to 35% of their lost leg strength in just 8 weeks. No pills, no supplements, just breakfast done right. Let me tell you a story. David, a 69-year-old retired construction engineer, once climbed ladders and walked miles daily. But one morning his knees felt locked, his steps unsure. He brushed it off. "I'm just getting old," he said. Then one day he tripped on his porch steps while getting the newspaper. That small fall changed everything. Fear replaced confidence. His pace slowed. He stopped joining his wife on morning walks. But after watching a health talk on senior muscle loss, David made one small change. He stopped skipping breakfast. Within 3 weeks, his legs felt lighter. The cramps that woke him at night vanished. Within 2 months, he was walking the park again. 2 kilometers each morning, no support needed. He often says, "I didn't get younger, but I got stronger." That's the power of the right breakfast. So what exactly should you eat? Nutritionists and researchers agree that 5 specific foods form the foundation of leg strength after 60. Each one repairs, fuels, and protects your muscles in a unique way. And together they create a morning routine that can keep your legs strong for life. First, whole eggs, nature's perfect muscle food. Many people avoid the yolk, fearing cholesterol, but that's where the magic lies. The yolk contains vitamin D, B12, choline, and a powerful amino acid called leucine, the key trigger for muscle protein synthesis. A study from the University of Illinois found that seniors who ate 2 eggs a day for 8 weeks significantly improved leg strength, balance, and independence. The reason? Leucine tells your muscles, it's time to rebuild. Add in vitamin B12, which protects nerve signals between the brain and legs, and you have a recipe for smoother, steadier steps. So start your day with 2 boiled or scrambled eggs, maybe with a handful of spinach or tomatoes. It's not just breakfast, it's muscle therapy on a plate. Second, oatmeal with chia seeds. Don't underestimate this simple meal. Oats provide beta-glucan, a type of fiber that stabilizes blood sugar and reduces inflammation, a major cause of muscle stiffness. When you add chia seeds, you give your muscles a rush of omega-3s, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, nutrients that keep muscles relaxed and prevent cramps. If you often wake up with leg spasms, this combination could change that in just weeks. The magnesium relaxes muscle fibers while potassium improves blood flow, making each step lighter and easier. Cook 3 tablespoons of rolled oats in water or almond milk. Stir in a tablespoon of chia seeds and top it with banana slices or blueberries. The warmth and nutrients will tell your body it's time to move. Third, bananas. These yellow heroes are nature's electrolyte medicine. One medium banana offers nearly 400 milligrams of potassium, vital for proper muscle contraction. Potassium acts like a stabilizer, ensuring your leg muscles fire correctly. Without enough, you get twitching, cramping, or numbness. Harvard researchers found that older adults who ate bananas regularly were 33% less likely to experience leg cramps. But timing matters. Eat your banana after breakfast, not on an empty stomach. For those managing diabetes or kidney concerns, half a banana or a slightly green one provides more resistant starch and less sugar. When paired with protein or fiber, it keeps your energy steady and legs active. Fourth, Greek yogurt. This isn't your average yogurt. Greek yogurt has nearly twice the protein and half the sugar. It's packed with casein, a slow-digesting protein that fuels your muscles all morning long. As you age, your body absorbs protein less efficiently, so it needs steady amino acids. Greek yogurt provides exactly that. Studies show that seniors who consume 20 grams of protein at breakfast maintain greater leg strength and balance. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon or berries for antioxidants that fight inflammation and support joint health. Think of it as a morning muscle repair shake, creamy, delicious, and deeply effective. Fifth, salmon or fatty fish. If you want to take your muscle health to another level, include salmon or sardines in your breakfast twice a week. These fish are rich in omega-3s, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that improve muscle recovery and insulin sensitivity. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that seniors who consumed fatty fish twice a week preserved 27% more leg muscle mass and had 36% fewer falls than those who didn't. Omega-3s reduce stiffness, boost circulation, and make your legs feel supple, not stiff. A small serving of baked or pan-seared salmon in olive oil with sweet potato or avocado can be a complete morning meal. Speaking of sweet potatoes, this brings us to a hidden gem: steamed sweet potatoes with a sprinkle of natural mineral salt. Simple, humble, yet profoundly effective. Sweet potatoes are full of complex carbs that refill muscle glycogen stores after a night of fasting. Unlike refined carbs, they release energy slowly, preventing fatigue and weakness. They also contain magnesium and manganese, which relieve leg cramps and support nerve function. Add a dash of Celtic sea salt, not refined table salt, for trace minerals that maintain proper muscle contractions. A French study showed that seniors who ate mineral-rich breakfasts like sweet potatoes had 50% fewer falls and 40% better balance within 3 months. Just half a sweet potato with warm water 10 minutes before breakfast can set the stage for stronger legs all day. But nutrition is only half the story. What you do in the first 15 minutes of waking determines how efficiently your muscles respond to that food. So before breakfast, drink a glass of warm water with a pinch of natural salt to rehydrate and improve circulation. Then do 3 minutes of gentle leg lifts or balance exercises. Raise 1 foot 2 inches off the ground, hold for 10 seconds, and switch. These movements activate your leg muscles, preparing them to absorb nutrients from your meal. Step outside for 5 minutes of sunlight. It triggers vitamin D production, which strengthens bones and improves muscle communication. And whatever you do, don't delay breakfast beyond an hour after waking. That's the critical window to stop your body from breaking down muscle. Now imagine starting each day with this simple ritual: warm water, a few leg lifts, and a nourishing breakfast of eggs, oats, chia, banana, and Greek yogurt. Within weeks, your legs feel more stable. Your steps feel grounded. Your confidence returns. You no longer hesitate at the staircase or need the armrest to stand up. You start feeling young again, not in years, but in strength. The truth is, life after 60 doesn't have to mean slowing down. You can walk with confidence, dance at family gatherings, and enjoy morning walks without fear of falling. The power to preserve your independence lies in your morning plate. Every bite you take either rebuilds your strength or steals it away. So ask yourself, what kind of future do you want to feed? At the Seniors Hub, we believe it's never too late to take control of your health. Your legs carry you through life. They deserve the best fuel you can give them. So tomorrow morning, before you pour that cup of coffee, remember this: one small choice can transform how you move, feel, and live. Start your morning strong, and your body will follow. If you found this message inspiring, like this video, share it with a friend who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe to the Seniors Hub for more life-changing health tips that keep you moving forward. You've earned the right to feel strong. Let's make sure your legs never forget it.